Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today with an issue that a customer had, concern, drivability. Hearing a noise while driving, particularly when coasting, coming to a stop. Peculiar noise. Just had her friend put on her summer tires. Drew, what do we have to say about that?
Based mainly more on experience. You kind of get an idea of what the noise is, and when you're driving, accelerating, the wheels are under load, you don't really hear anything, but as soon as you start letting off, the load is taken off, and you kind of hear a little bit of a fluttering or a wobbling noise, which is an indication of a possibly loose wheels. Now this is what we have on this one here. Towards us.
Sure.
And this one doesn't necessarily have play. It hasn't fully worked itself off as the noise.
Keeping in mind he's not as strong as a 3,000-pound car.
Used to be. But generally what you need to pull these wheels off is an impact gun.
Or strong arms.
Or strong arms. Having known what the noise is, possibly give it a try with just a small ratchet, and found that
Now that's not good, is it?
no, some of the wheel nuts aren't fully torqued. That one's not too loose, but these ones too. So 3 out of the 5 can easily come off with a short 10-inch ratchet, and that should not be the case. These should be torqued down to probably I'd have to look up the spec, but about 90 foot-pounds, which is nothing with this.
So, speaks for itself, guys. Be careful out there. If you've got someone helping you, let's make sure that they are qualified. They have the proper torque wrench, proper torque tools to get the wheels on and off. As well, the hubs need to be cleaned, especially on these European vehicles, in particular the Volkswagens, the Audis, because they use a bolt style fastener instead of a wheel nut like most standard North American. So the actual bolts are what the wheel rides on, and when they're not torqued properly and you've got corrosion behind the wheel, especially with these aluminum, if there's corrosion built up behind and you're switching the wheels and you change the wheels around, there's a chance that you've got a buildup of oxidation on the hub or a buildup of rust. Both the hub and the wheel need to be cleaned, and then the wheel properly torqued. So thanks for watching. Urban Automotive, safety first.